Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Meet, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you share your screen in a Google Meet? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to share your screen in a Google Meet anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business holding your sales calls or other types of meetings in a Google Meet, sometimes you're going to need to show your screen. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Meet. This is an actual call. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. So I've already opened up a call. This is a live call that's going on right now. Now, in order to share your screen, here on the bottom, you're going to click on this little computer logo. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see these three options: Chrome tab, window, or entire screen. So you get to choose what you want to share. So if you're going to do your entire screen, that means that anytime you switch between a window, the other participants are going to be able to see that. You can also click right here and choose a specific window. So you can have a window open specifically to the instructions that you're trying to do. And then lastly, you can go ahead and click right here and then choose a specific tab. So that way, if you switch tabs or if you switch windows, they're not going to be able to see all the other things that are on your computer. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and choose entire screen. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the section you want to share, and it should turn blue like that. And then you want to click on share. Okay, as you can see, I'm now sharing my screen in this Google Meet. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to share your screen in a Google Meet, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.